Heathrow Airport Central Bus Station. Now, how to get to Terminal 2 and Terminal 3? Let's walk this way. Right, so as you can see, there are coach tickets and various exits. The lifts will take you to Terminals 2, 3 and 4. Right, now when you exit the bus, there is no way to walk to Terminal 2. You have to go down so Terminal 2 to the right, Terminal 3 to the left. If you want to go on the London Underground into central London, you can do it here, and that is going to be the Elizabeth line. That would take you straight into London, and you can get the Piccadilly line also, which would take you right into Piccadilly Circus. So if you're on foot, you have to make your way to Terminal 2, which is down in this general direction here. It's all good stuff, as long as you've given yourself plenty of time. I don't mind walking. I don't want to go on the travelator. Quite happy to walk. Still heading for Terminal 2. A little bit of a walk. It looks as if there is, yes, Terminal 2 via the lift. I think you can go up the escalator if you don't want to wait for the lift. Basically, we're back outside again, but we've crossed underneath something to avoid getting run over by the buses, I think. Making our way into Terminal 2 here. A vast building with a piece of artwork in the middle. Sure what it is, obviously. Have to wait for a lift here. Going in the lift to Terminal 2. Okay. We're now on level 5. This looks more like an airport. Level 5. This is the coffee shop for a start. And this is all your check-in desks. Terminal 2. I'm sure everybody's familiar with this. That was my very brief explanation how to get from the Central Bus Station at Heathrow Airport to Terminal 2 departures. Thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see what else I get up to on my travels. Thanks again.